With a lot on my mind, and I'm looking for me a woman, but she's mighty hard to find. Lord, ask my country cousin, check the hottest.
I'm Lauren. I am SFT's media and locker intern. So what that means is that I make all of the banners and flyers that you see on SFT's website and a lot of the videos, like this one. And then I also help plan locker action. So every Wednesday in New York, I help to plan really cool events.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm an intern here in New York, and I'm working on a lot of the grassroots parts of SFT. So I'm making phone calls to all of the chapters in the United States and updating stuff for the clubs. I'm also working a lot on the SFT Action Camp that's happening in August in Germany, and I also do a lot of research on economics and things that are applying with politics and Tibet. So.
Hi, I'm Xi Jinping. I am an intern at SFT working on the campaigns and also the grassroots movement that we're doing right now. We're making sure that all of our chapters at universities have the right materials they need for the coming fall semester. And I also help to write petitions and materials that we send around to governments.
Hi, my name is Tawu and I'm an intern at SFT. I've been learning a lot about what's going on inside Tibet. So last week we went to DC and protested outside the State Department. And it was my first-hand experience protesting while there were a bunch of Chinese people literally hauling at us. At that moment I realized that we're here to make a difference, to make truth win, and to let people know that Tibet is still an occupied nation.
This week for Locker, I helped organize a protest in front of the Chinese consulate in response to the shootings in Tawu last week. For the Dalai Lama's birthday, Tibetans gathered peacefully to offer prayers, and the Chinese police opened fire. We know that 2 Tibetans were shot in the head and several others were injured and some were detained. We have a petition going to local Chinese officials in Tawu, so please sign the petition, share it with all of your friends and family.
One of the things I'm working on as an intern is organizing the action camp, which will be taking place in Germany in August. So if you still want to go, you can still register, and it will be taking place on August 7th through the 13th, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Baby, I need you. How much you never know.
Shame on Xi! Shame on Xi!